having been raised maybe with the fear of failure. The fear of failure was never significant, but also the family owners like that. He's saying when you're playful that you cannot make a mistake. And he is, the godfather of play in the Lego world. And so he also gave me tremendous space, so a lot of space for making mistakes.
So let's do a 180 to Kel's position in this. What beyond order out of chaos, what else did he see in you in those early days?
First of all, I was just telling him the unfiltered truth, which was brutally honest, but also brutally terrible.
Right.
Nobody had ever told him it like that. And I think it was clear to him that, I had no agenda. I mean, for Christ's sake, I was going back to academia. Mm-hmm. So I was just, letting him know. And he insisted that some of it was wrong, and I'm very certain next year is going to be better. I said, it's interesting you say next year is going to be better because I've looked at that. It's going to be worse. And so he was very much against that. So we had real arguments. But as that materialized, I think he maybe started thinking, okay, there's something going on here.